Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are taking a honest look at the PZ SuperTrend EA for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, an expert advisor built around the classic SuperTrend indicator. But before we dive into the EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so if you've been tempted by those smooth equity curves and almost no losses type of marketing, stick around because we are going to walk through what the developer actually claims, what the strategy is really doing, and then compare that to my own backtest results. By the end, you will have a pretty good idea whether this is something you should put on a live account or just another EA you test on demo and quietly uninstall later. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's start with how the developer presents the EA on the product page. PZ SuperTrend EA is advertised as a fully automated trend following robot that trades off the well known SuperTrend indicator. According to the description, it sticks loyalty to the original SuperTrend algorithm. So you can see it's completely loyal to the original algorithm. And the core idea is simple. It buys when price is above super trend and sells when the price is below it. If you're not familiar with super trend, it's basically an ATR based trend filter. It uses average true range, multiplies it by some factor, and draws a line above or below price depending on the direction of the trend. When price closes above that line, it signals a bullish trend. When it closes below, it signals a bearish trend. The EA, as the developer explains, just automates trading those flips. No fancy neural networks, no black box signals, just good old ATR trend following. The developer emphasizes that the EA can open trades on a new trend and optionally close them when the trend reverses. Alright, so think of it this way. Super trend flips bullish, the EA opens a long. When super trend flips bearish, it can close that long and either open a short or stay flat, depending on your settings. They also highlight that it can trade both directions or only long or only short, depending on what you choose. Right, another key point in the marketing is trend filtering. The page talks about the ability to use multi-time frame confirmation. For example, using super trend on a higher time frame as a filter while taking entries on a lower time frame. So the story is we are not just blindly following every wiggle, we are aligning with the bigger picture trend. They also mention session filters. The EA can be configured to trade only during New York specific sessions, as you can see. In specific sessions like London or New York, Asian, European, and the rest of that. Um, the implication here is that you can avoid times of low liquidity or crazy spreads by telling the robot when it's allowed to trade. Finally, the developer leans heavily on flexibility. You see phrases like fully configurable, works on all symbols and timeframes, and suitable for scalping, swing trading, and intraday trading. So the overall pitch is a clean, robust trend following engine powered by SuperTrend with lots of configurable filters to adapt it to your style. All right, so let's take a look at the PZ SuperTrend EA strategy test. So you can see in the test, developer used the EUR USD pair 1 hour time frame from 2008 to 2017, and the initial deposit was $3,000, and for that, he had a total net profit of $15,541. The profit factor was 1.37, and the drawdown was 44.39%. You can see the equity curve looks smooth, looks clean. So you can see the upward movements showing steady gains, even with the occasional dips here and there and staircase movements. So let's check out how this actually compares to my personal back test. See if it's in line with everything the developer claims. All right. So let's now talk about what happened when I actually backtested this thing on recent data. In my test, I started with a $10,000 account balance and ran the EA over a fairly fresh period, 1 year ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. At first, the equity curve looks like what you'd expect from a trend following super trend system, a slow grind upwards, a lot of small winners, and a generally smooth line. So for a few months, it behaved kind of like the market suggests, calm, controlled, nothing crazy. But then the character of the market shifted as the environment became less friendly to that specific trend regime. The equity curve started to step down. You see a peak, then a series of drawdowns, each one taking the balance a bit lower, followed by a long, almost flat period where the EA is basically chopping around without making new highs. All right. So by the end of the test, the total net profit was slightly negative, roughly minus 37 units on a $10,000 account. The profit factor came out around 0.66, as you can see down here. It basically means your losses outweighed your gains over that window. The drawdown in percentage terms stayed low, under 1%. We have it at 0.71%. Um, but that's because I kept risk sensible. The problem wasn't one giant crash, the problem was a system that just couldn't keep its earlier edge once conditions changed. Now compare that to the tone of the developer's page where the emphasis is on strong win rates, smooth backtests, and advanced money management. Honestly, that gap is where traders get hot. If I cranked up the rigs or used Martingale modes they promote, the same losing stretch that would use the small dip in my test could easily turn into a much more serious drawdown, possibly even a blown account if you're aggressive. Right, so if you're a beginner hoping for a plug and play money machine, this is not it. The EA is heavily dependent on market regime. It's a trend follower, not a magic box. You need to understand when your pair is trending, when it's choppy, and when to simply switch off the robots. If you're more experienced and you actually like super trends as an indicator, this can be a useful executor for your structured plan. Run it with fixed or small percent risks, disable martingale completely, limit it to one or two pairs and one time frame, and treat it as a tactical tool. Also use higher time frame analysis to decide when the market is in the kind of trend this is built for and when it's not. Don't be afraid to stop it. All right, if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Make sure you subscribe for more honest EA reviews. No hype, just real testing and straight talk. Drop a comment below and let me know which EA you want me to review next. Or if you've had any experience with the PZ Super Trend EA yourself. And don't forget, if you want to experiment with algo trading, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with a bunch of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns by using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.